It's summertime and time to pack your kid for camp. If you're sending your kid off to sleepaway camp, the weeks leading up to it can be daunting. There's just so much to do to get your kids ready for their time away from home. To make this process easy for you, I've prepared a 5-step checklist to follow. So let's dive in. Step 1, create that packing list. Or better yet, consult the list that your camp sends you. Most camps have already figured out what your child needs based on the camp activities and how long they'll be there. For example, how many t-shirts, swimsuits, or towels will they need? Is any specific sports gear required? Is there horseback riding or surfing? Is it a tech camp or a sports camp? Do they need bug spray? Now is the time to purchase or even borrow from friends or older siblings anything that might be missing. Step 2 is to gather everything. Pull together all the clothes, towels, bedding, gear, and toiletries so you can check those items off your list and make sure you have gathered everything that your child will need. And now that you have everything in one place, you can move on to the next step. Step 3 is to label everything. If you want your camper's items to come back home with them, you've got to label it. By gathering everything together in the previous step, this will be so much easier. You want to do all the labeling at once. And remember to put labels on shoes, water bottles, books, hats, flashlights, and even their pillows. Now, there are several ways to label your kids' items. You can use custom iron-on labels, custom stick-on labels, or just handwritten with a Sharpie. I'll put links to my favorite labels in the video description below. Step 4 is to pack. Now that you have all your items gathered and everything's been labeled, it's time to pack your child's trunk or duffel bag. I highly recommend using packing cubes to sort and pack your child's clothes by category. It makes it that much easier for your kid to find his t-shirts, pull out those shorts, or grab that swimsuit. You can also use Ziploc bags for the kids' clothing. It's an easy, cheap solution that delivers the same results. Step 5 is to load it up. Now this is the most exciting step because you're getting that much closer to going to camp. If you haven't already, involve your kids in this step so they know where everything is going in their trunk or duffel. Have fun with this part and start counting down the days to more fun ahead. I hope these 5 steps help make packing for summer camp an easy and fun activity to do with your kids. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary wishing you and your kids a very happy, organized summer.